Hello guys, today we will discuss about with the pivot recipe in Dataiku. And in Dataiku or else in any ETL tool, pivot recipe is one of the most important tool, either in Alteryx or if we are using it any Excel or in any ETL tool. So let's discuss about with the ETL the pivot recipe. Yeah. If you look into this example pivot recipe here, so example I have taken as the 4 columns: name, item, quantity, year. So in this, if I pivot this one, so name as the group key. So grouping by Alice and Bob. Here I have only 2 names is there, Alice and Bob. So Alice, Bob. And what aggregations I had done? I am doing the aggregations uh, based on quantity and year. And aggregations are quantity and year. Pivot. So what is the pivot items? Items are shoes and hat. So shoes quantity sum, hat quantity sum. So sum. And at the same time, shoes year max, hat year max. So because quantity I have applied as the sum, year max of the year I have applied as year column. If you look into the pivot table definition is this one: group key, pivot, and aggregations. So the same thing, pivot apply by item. So pivot means, so these shoes hats is the column is moving to rows. So 2 rows will be splitted, shoes and hat. At the same time, group key is name. Aggregations are quantity, year. Okay. Next, if you tally the aggregations of the same thing I have given clearly, group by keys. So Alice and Bob. So this one, pivot values, shoes and hat, sum of quantity, max of year. That is the only simple thing. Let's go back to Dataiku and we'll run the recipe. I selected with the Ardas dataset only. I have Ardas dataset only, the sample format. I'm selecting with pivot recipe in the right side. So once I select with the pivot recipe, here first I need to select with the pivot by. So which column? The column is moving to rows. I will select with, for example, order date. So based on date, I will split 2 rows, pivot. Create recipe. So here if you see with create columns with, so this is the pivoted values I have selected. And grouping values, that is row identifiers. I select with t-shirt category. So based on category wise, I want row wise. And sum of aggregations. Aggregations here, I will select with the price. So count of records, I don't want. So ignore the unselect. And here, if you select with count, the count is showing. You select with this drag down. All the aggregations are showing. I want sum of price each day wise. Click the sum and you click somewhere in the empty space. So sum of t-shirt price. Okay. So here you see the sigma populate content with. So all the aggregations column is this one, custom aggregates, and pivot column is this one, order date, add new column if you want any other columns pivoting by pivoted values. Most frequent are all are occurring more than something. So ignore that by default settings. And row identifier explicit list we have to give. So t-shirt category. And this is one example also is given here, examples. Like for example, if you select with pivot table, how pivot table is working. And pivot values, so frequency table, various statistics. So this way we can execute different ways the pivot recipe. And in pivot recipe, we have pre-filter is also available, computed columns also available, other columns and output. So output, how it is. and just run the recipe and we'll see the output. So job is running. So once job is succeeded, then we'll go back to flow and check. Job is succeeded. Then go back to flow and open the output data set. So here we selected the group keys t-shirt category. Okay. So all the 10 categories, 10 rows called as 10 categories. Okay. 10 category t-shirts. Pivoting value we selected as order date. So order date. So each and every date wise, it is summing the price. So here, if you observe with the date with the name is given as t-shirt price underscore sum. What we are doing, t-shirt price sum I have applied with the aggregation. So based on this date, t-shirt F is sold by total sum of price 70. This date 140, 122, 35. So this way we can observe with the business easily on which date we have the more business and less business. Okay. So this is the one simple pivot recipe, but it is very important recipe. Everywhere we can apply with in the real time scenario this pivot recipe. Thank you. Thank you for watching.